The foundation day of neighbouring Assam and Nagaland was observed at Bhavan, Shillong today. Meghalaya Governor C.H. Vijaya Shankar said that Assam and Nagaland are the jewels of the northeast India with rich tradition and culture, stating that both the states have contributed immensely to the growth of the nation. The governor said that these states are examples of India's rich diversity on the occasion. Meghalaya Governor also unveiled the Kasi translated books on Bhagavad Gita and Gitanjali, a book written by great poet Rabindranath Tagore. The translation work of both the book has been done by Prabhat Kanti.
Great joy to be with you today as we celebrate the Foundation Day of Assam and Nagaland, two states with rich historical background and vibrant culture, and also immense contribution to the nation. Assam, known as a land of Brahmaputra, is a jewel of India's northeast. Its lush green landscape, tea gardens, and unique tradition have made it a symbol of natural beauty and cultural heritage. Assam's resilience and unity inspire us all, and its people continue to play a vital role in India's progress. Nagaland, the land of festivals, is a shining example of India's diversity. Its proud history, colorful traditions, and the spirit of its people make it a state like no other. The warm hospitality and creativity of Nagaland people have enriched India's culture fabric.
The Meghalaya